Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn or study line. Line means सरल रेखा. Line segment, रेखा खंड and ray, रश्मि. So let's know what is a line, what is a line segment and a ray and their features. तार वैशिष्ट्य गुड़ाक आम आज पढ़ा. Now let's move to the topic. Yes, it is like this. What is written? Please look at the line segment and ray. Line means I told you sarala rekha. Line segment means rekha khanda and ray means rasmi. So every day means what? Pratidina. Every day we draw anku tanu. We draw different lines. Rekha different lines means सरल रेखा हमें टाणु. Some are straight lines केते सीधा. Some are curved lines केते बंका वक्र रेखा. वक्र बा बंका lines and slanting lines तेरछा. Left side slanting and right side slanting. बाम तेरछा, डान तेरछा line. We draw lines, straight lines like this. The other lines we draw are आमे अन्य जो लाइन गुड़ा करछो. Sometimes we draw zigzag lines. You know what is zigzag line? Just this is called zigzag. Zigzag lines, right? Next, okay, zigzag lines, serpentine lines. Now let's know what is serpentine. Sarpila. Okay, this is a serpentine line. Could understand or not? And another is spiral line. It is what to let's know what is a spiral line. Okay. Yes. This is a spiral line. Could understand?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Tell in a loud voice, okay? So what did I say? Every day we draw different lines, different kinds of lines. Some are straight lines, some are curved lines, and some are slanting lines. Okay, just 1 minute. This is a straight line, or this is a straight line. This is a straight line. This is a slanting line, or this is a slanting line. This is a left slanting line. This is a left slanting line. This is a right slanting line. Could understand? Then a curved lines. It's a curved line. Again I told you, पुणी मु तुमको कहली कौन कहली सीधा गार तेरछा गार. स्ट्रेट लाइन मीन्स सीधा गार, स्लेंटिंग मीन्स तेरछा गार, कर्व लाइन वक्र रेखा और गार. Okay, now the other lines we draw zigzag. I told you what is zigzag, Z type. English is that type. Serpentile, circular, and spiral etc. We draw straight lines. आम्ही सीधा घर टाणू in different positions. Could understand?
Yes.
What did I say? We draw straight lines in different positions. That is in standing position. That is standing. This is a standing position. Okay. This is a standing position. Right? And it's and also we call it perpendicular or भूलंब. दंडायमान. स्टैंडिंग मीन्स दंडायमान. ये ला दंडायमान रेखा, सरल रेखा और भूलंब सरल रेखा. राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज सो स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. दिस इज स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. दिस लाइन इज इन स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. राइट. दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर. इट्स ओरिया मीनिंग भूलंब दंडायमान सीधा छिड़ा हवा. दंडायमान सरल रेखा. इन स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर भूलंब. स्लीपिंग पोजिशन सोया अवस्था रे. स्लीपिंग पोजिशन दैट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल भू समांतराल. सो दिस लाइन इज इन स्लीपिंग पोजिशन एंड इट इज कॉल्ड हॉरिजॉन्टल. We will discuss about Rekhakhand. This is a line. Could understand? This is a line. It is in a horizontal position. Next one is this is a line in a horizontal position. And slanting. Slanting means tercha. Diagonal tercha. This is a slanting line. This is a slanting line. This is the right slanting line and this is the left slanting line. ये डान कड़ को आनत अच्छी ढलिकी अच्छी इनक्लाइनेड अच्छी टिल्टिंग अच्छी. ये बाम कड़ को ढलिकी अच्छी आनत अच्छी झुंकी अच्छी इनक्लाइनेड टिल्टिंग. So we came to know different lines and their positions. Perpendicular, that is standing position. Slanting, that is tilting position. And slipping, that is horizontal. So standing is perpendicular, right? Tilting is slanting and slipping is horizontal. भू समांतराल. Okay, done. Now and slanting diagonal tercha. This is in the diagonal position. This line is the line in the bracket is diagonal position. The line in the bracket is in standing position. It is called perpendicular. The line in the bracket here in the bracket is horizontal or slipping line. The line here is slanting line. Okay, now let's know what is a line. Now let's know what is a line. सरल रेखा कौन? लाइन सेगमेंट रेखा खंड and what? Ray Rasmi. Could understand? Now let's move to the next page. Yes, lines and lines. Could understand? So what is a line? A line is a set of unlimited collinear points without bend or wiggle of any kind. सरल रेखा होची सरल रेखा असीम एक रैखिक बिंदु मानकर समाहार. अवश्य line is a non-definable concept. लाइन टा हूँ सरल रेखाटा हूँ संज्ञाहीन but for our understanding we can say a line is a set of unlimited collinear points without bend or wiggle of any kind. और सरल रेखा असीम एक रैखिक बिंदु मानकर समाहार कहुए. तो लेट्स have a look lines and lines. Whose line is it? Today, Aji, there is a cricket match, in Fatima's school. She is Fatima. Who is she? She is Fatima. Aji Fatima's school cricket match अच्छी. Fatima Jasbir. He is Jasbir, right? Fatima, Jasbir and Raima. She is Raima. So, have each brought their own stamp from home. This is Fatima's stamp. This is Jasbir's stamp. This is Raina's stamp. Could understand? They keep these in a corner of the room. आनिक से घर कोण रखती. किए को पोजिशन रखिला. फतिमा कीप्स हेयर कीप रखा स्टाम्प. फतिमा कीप्स हेयर स्टाम्प इन स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन. ठिया कर रखिला. स्ट्रेट स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन परपेंडिकुलर भूलंबर रखिला. दंडायमान रखिला. जसबीर कीप्स हिज स्टाम्प इन स्लैंटिंग पोजिशन. तेरेछारे रखिला. अणेगी रखिला. हु जसबीर. रहीमा कीप्स हेयर स्टाम्प्स इन स्लीपिंग पोजिशन. सुआईगिरी रखिला. Could understand? Could understand who did what? Now let's move to the next page. To show others how they have kept अन्य से केमिति रखिछन्ति जणैया को देखिया देर स्टाम्प दे ड्रा लाइन्स इन ए नोटबुक. पिलानु को जणैवा को किए केमिति रखिला इन व्हिच पोजिशन दे केप्ट. To make others know they draw lines. So Fatima draw a standing line. This is a standing line. Could understand?
Yes.
Jasbir draws a slanting line. This is a slanting line. Terecha. This is and Rahima draws a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. So match the picture of each child with the correct line. Okay, we will match it. Just 1 minute. Wait. Oh, standing line. What did I say? This is a standing line. Right? Slanting line. This is a slanting line. Slanting line. And this is a sleeping line. Could understand? What did I say? Next. Now let's move to the next page. Yes, it's like this. Just 1 minute. So here are some lines. Could understand? This is a line. This is a line. This is a line. This is a line. There are 4 lines. How many lines?
Whole line.
In which position? Standing position. Standing position. And they are called standing lines and are also called perpendicular in area, that is bhulamba or dandayaman. Could understand? Next move. Yes, here are some lines. They are slanting. Some are slanting to the right. Just 1 minute. Some are slanting 1, 2, 3. These are slanting to the right, and these are 1, 2, 3. These are slanting to the left. So these are called slanting lines or diagonal or तेरसा. ये है डाण तेरसा lines, ये है बाम तेरसा lines. Could understand? So these are slanting or diagonal lines in Oriya Terecha. Okay, now let's move to the next point. What did I say? Yes, slipping or horizontal. Yes, it is a slipping line. It is a slipping line, and slipping line is horizontal. That is bhusamantarala. Three positions. We came to know three positions of straight line: standing, that is perpendicular; slanting or diagonal, that is terecha; and slipping or horizontal, that is bhusamantarala. Now let's move to the next. Yes, a ray. What do you mean by ray? Tell me. Ray means what? Rasmi. A ray is a line. It is a line that has one end point. जार गोटे starting, not end point, that is starting point. रश्मि गोटे सरल रेखा, रश्मि गोटे रेखा जार के गोटे आरंभ बिंदु थाए, starting point. That is not end point, that is starting point. And on one side it goes on forever. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ସେ ଅସୀମ ଭାବରେ ବଢ଼ିପାରିବ. Could understand? Next, a line. Now a line goes on forever in both directions, and a line is, I have told you, a line is a set of unlimited collinear points without bend or wiggle any kind, and they have no end points. A line has no end point, and it can go forever in both directions. उभय दिगरे असीम भाव में बढ़ी पारिब. Next, a line segment. What do you mean by a line segment? That is a rekhakhanda. Has two end points. Two end points. दुईटी प्रांत बिंदु थाए, and it cannot go beyond that end points. से end point बाहर से माने जाई पारिबे नहीं. That is called line segment or rekhakhanda. Okay. Now let's move. Yes, line. It is a line. It is a line. It has two arrowheads. This is a arrowhead and this is an arrowhead. This is an arrowhead. How many arrowheads? Two arrowheads. So a line extends forever. Can go forever. Go. A line can go or can be expanded in both direction, in this direction and in this direction, in both directions like this. So this is called line, and it is written, and we name it either AB, BC or KH like this. So the name of the line here is AB line. We write like this. We write like this. So line means sarala rekha, and it has no end point. Could understand? Next, move to the next next page. It is a ray. What do you mean by ray? Rasmi. A ray starts at one point. This is the starting point. This is the starting point, and continues on forever in one direction like this. And here is a arrowhead, and the line can continue forever in the arrowhead direction. तामाने रश्मि एक रेखा जार गोटे आरंभ बिंदु थाए, एवं ये अनिर्दिष्ट भाव में अन्य पार्श्व बढ़ी वृद्धि विस्तारित हो पारे. लंबी पारे सो आकु भी आम ना दौचे दिस पॉइंट इज ए एंड दिस इज बी सो इट्स नेम इज ए बी रे वी राइट लाइक दिस आम यही भली लिखु ए बी रे so can go infinitely in arrowhead direction असीम भाव से arrowhead direction रे बढ़ी पारियो now let's move to the next page what is this line segment रेखा खंड a line segment is just part of a line it has two end points like this two end points यार दुईट प्रांत बिंदु थाए दिस इज ए पॉइंट दिस इज ए पॉइंट ए इज एंड पॉइंट एंड बी इज एंड पॉइंट एंड वी राइट लाइक दिस ए बी सेगमेंट राइट नेक्स्ट टुडे we learnt about what line segment and ray a line is a set of unlimited collinear points having no bend or wiggle at any having at any account or a line is a set of unlimited collinear points without bend or wriggle of any kind so a line can be extended in both the direction could understand and a line has no end point at all could understand then we came to know what we came to know a line segment has two end points and cannot be extended beyond that two end points. Next, ray. A ray is a line which had one starting point and can be extended in another direction indefinitely. Okay. Again, we came to know different positions of straight lines standing that is perpendicular slipping that is horizontal inclining or slanting that is in area theresia so that is the end of today's lesson we will have more discussion about other geometrical points in our next class till then bye thank you